Well, good morning. Welcome to Debbie's Back Porch. So glad to have you with us. I bought a new little product and I love it so much that I just felt like I needed to do a review. If you watched my creme brulee video, you probably saw that I had lost or misplaced or given away my ramekins. So I got these to replace them. It's the Sweese, S-W-E-E-S-E, 6-ounce souffle cups. They're ramekins, 6 ounce, of course. And, you know, they are just wonderful. They're pretty. They're heavy. They feel very sturdy. And this one's already been run through the dishwasher once because they are dishwasher safe. And, you know, they have a 30-day no chip guarantee. If they chip, you get a new one. The company will send you one. And, you know, I think this company is particularly attentive so far. And I'm going to make something in these. I made something a couple of nights ago, and I'll explain that to you. But these hold 6 ounce, and I weighed them full just to make sure that was about what they held, and I rounded it up a little bit so it had about 6.2 ounces. And that's important if you're on a keto diet, a low carb diet of some kind, any kind of diet, that you want to control your portions. So I'm just going to put this potato mixture. This is, by the way, potato and cauliflower mixture. And I'm going to put them in these. You can bake it right in here. And then, by the way, you can also freeze it right in here. I did that with another dish that I did a couple of nights ago. I froze some Parmesan spinach. And I'm showing you the one where I stuffed the potato shell. And, you know, it's kind of sloppy. And the ramekins are much neater. I'm going to bake right in here. And after about 30 minutes, this is what I have. And I'm going to eat one tonight. I'm going to freeze the other 3. Just stick them in the freezer once the pan cools a little bit. And then I'm going to pop them out of the ramekins because I don't want to keep the dishes out of circulation that long. Then when I get ready to cook again, I will pop them back in the ramekin, let them come to room temperature, and microwave them. That's what I did with this creamed spinach with 3 cheeses. Worked just perfectly. These are beautiful on the plate. They are easy to clean. They look very dressy on a plate. And I'm so happy to have them that I am going to order another set. Just to be clear, I don't work for the company. I got these at the regular price. So I'm just sharing my experience with you. But you should know that there was a 50% off coupon in the package, and I'm using that. Thank you for joining us on Debbie's Back Porch. Hope to see you again tomorrow.